Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to crochet the Plump Tulip Coaster. This coaster is perfect for protecting your tabletops from heat while adding a lovely floral touch to your home decor. Encouragement: don't worry if you're new to crocheting or looking for a quick, fun project. This coaster is friendly for all levels, and I'll guide you through each step. Call to action. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, so you'll never miss out on any of my future tutorials. Now, let's get started. Begin with a magic ring. Crochet 12 double crochets DC into the ring. Pull the tail to tighten the ring and join with a slip stitch. Encouragement: great job! You formed the base of your coaster. Keep your tension comfortable, and don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. Practice makes progress. Tip: if you're having trouble keeping the ring tight, you can tug gently on the yarn tail after each few stitches to maintain a neat center. For row 2, make 12 DC increases. That means in each of the 12 stitches from row 1, you'll place 2 DC. You'll end with 24 DC total. Join with a slip stitch to finish the round. Encouragement: well done! You'll start seeing your coaster grow. This round is key to giving it a nice, flat shape. Be sure to count your stitches at the end of the row to avoid any accidental increases or missed stitches. Work the pattern, DC, DC increase, X12 around. That means in the first stitch, do 1 DC, and in the next stitch, do 2 DC. Repeat this sequence all the way around. By the end of this row, you should have 36 DC in total. Encouragement: awesome! The coaster's foundation is nearly complete. Stay focused on your stitch count to keep everything even. Tip: mark the start of your round with a stitch marker or a scrap piece of yarn so you don't lose track of where the round begins. We will create little tulip arches. For each group, do DC, 3CH, DC in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, then repeat the group again. Continue, DC, 3CH, DC in the same stitch, X15 leaving 2 stitches between each group. Encouragement: you're doing great. These arches will shape the decorative petals that give the coaster its floral look. Tip: keep an eye on your chaining. It's easy to accidentally make extra chains. Consistency here will help your tulips look neat. In each chain space from the previous row, crochet 1 puff stitch. Use as many yarn overs as you prefer for your puff. Then chain 4.2. Repeat this all the way around for a total of 15 puff stitches. Encouragement. Fantastic work. Puff stitches can be a little tricky at first, but they add wonderful texture. Take your time and enjoy the squishy, puffy effect. Tip: if your puff stitch feels too loose or uneven, lightly pinch the loops as you pull through. Consistent tension helps create uniform puffs. Now we'll work around the coaster to form the final round of petals. In the space between flowers, crochet 1, single crochet SC. Then, on the chain, do 1 SC, followed by 1 half double crochet HDC, then 4 double crochets DC and 1 HDC. 3. Repeat SC in the space between flowers, SC on the chain, HDC, 4 DC, HDC, X12 or for each petal section around. Encouragement. Look at that, you're almost done. This final round adds the finishing touch to your tulip coaster. Tip: don't forget to block or gently steam your coaster if you want the petals to lie extra flat. A little shaping goes a long way. Congratulations, you've just finished your Plump Tulip Coaster. Isn't it lovely? Now you can enjoy a hot cup of tea or coffee without worrying about damaging your furniture. Encouragement. If your coaster didn't come out exactly as planned, don't be discouraged. Practice always leads to improvement. The important part is that you had fun creating something beautiful by hand. Final call to action. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet ideas. I truly appreciate your support. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video.